Hello viewers, welcome to Fahmina's Creation. Today I'm going to show you how to create this gorgeous heart shape applique. I'm going to show you in two sizes. So let's start then. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell button. If you have already subscribed me, please like and share this tutorial with others. To create this heart shape applique, first of all, we will need some decay yarn, any color of your choice, a scissor and a 5mm crochet hook. First of all, we'll start by creating a magic circle. Then we'll start the first row by crocheting 3 chain spaces. We'll do all our stitches in this circle. So this first 3 chain space will be considered as a double crochet. Then we are going to do another double crochet in the same loop. Next we are going to do 2 treble crochet. If this is a new term to you, then please refer to my tutorial on treble crochet, the link to which would be showing on the top right hand corner at the moment. So this is our second treble crochet. Then we are going to do 4 double crochet in the same magic circle. Now we are going to do a treble crochet. So with this we have finished half of the heart shape. Now we are just going to do the reflection of what we have done so far. So it's called mirror effect. We'll just mirror the other side now. So we'll start with 4 double crochet. Followed by 2 treble crochet. Now this is the second treble crochet. Now you're going to do 2 double crochet again. One and 2, and we'll finish off the row by creating a slip stitch in the magic circle. So now you can see that the heart shape has started to form. It's taking a shape already. So we'll move forward to row 2 now, and we'll start the row 2 by doing 3 single crochet in the hole in between 3 chain spaces and double crochet of row 2. Then we'll go to the next chain space and do 2 double crochet in the same chain space. We'll go to the next chain space and start crocheting a treble crochet. Then we'll go back to the same chain space and do a double crochet. Then we'll go to the next chain space and we do a 2 double crochet in the same chain space. we'll move to the next chain space and do the same 2 double crochet in the same chain space. In the next 4 chains we'll do 1 double crochet in each chain space. So 1 double crochet in one chain, then we'll go to the next one and do another double crochet. I'll move to the next chain and do another double crochet, and in the next chain another double crochet. Now we have come to the middle of the project where we have done the treble crochet in the row below. So there we'll do 1 double crochet, 1 treble crochet and 1 double crochet in the same chain space. So finish doing half of the side, and now we are going to do mirror effect. So there will be 4 double crochet in the next 4 chain spaces. 1 2 3 and 4. After 4 double crochet, 1 in each chain space, we will do a set of 2 double crochet in one chain space. So 2 double crochet in one chain space and 2 double crochet in the next chain space, 2 set of 2s. Then we will do a 1 double crochet and 1 treble crochet the next chain space. We'll go to the next chain space and we'll do 2 double crochet in the same chain space. And finally we'll move to the very last double crochet and we'll do 3 single crochet. And we'll finish off the row by doing a slip stitch with the magic circle. So if you want to make a small heart shape, then you can finish off here and do a slip stitch, cut your yarn. But if you want to make your project a little bit bigger than this, then carry on crocheting 1 more row. We'll start row 3 by crocheting 3 single crochet in the on top of the last 3 single crochet from row 2. Then we'll do 2 double crochet in the next chain space. In the next chain space we will do a treble crochet and a double crochet in the same chain space. Then we'll create 2 double crochet in one chain, and we'll do this for 4 times all total. So in the next chain again we'll do 2 double crochet in the same chain space, go to next chain and do 2 double crochet the next chain space, and we'll do it one more time. We'll go to the next chain and crochet 2 double crochet in the same chain space. Now I'll move to the next chain space and we'll do one single crochet. We'll do one single crochet in one chain space for 7 times, so that's 3 double crochet and the next 3 chain spaces. So we'll do it 4 more times. 4, next chain, another double crochet, 5, we'll move to next chain and do another double crochet, 6, and 7. Now we'll go to the next chain and we'll do 1 double crochet, 1 treble crochet and 1 double crochet in the same chain space because it's our middle of the project again. Now we'll do mirror effect again, so there will be 7 double crochet in the next 7 chain spaces. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then we'll do 2 double crochet in the same chain space for 4 times total. So 2 double crochet in the same chain space, we'll move to next one, 2 double crochet in the same chain space again for the 3rd time. And we'll repeat this one more time. 2 double crochet in the same chain space. And in the next chain space we'll do 1 double crochet and 1 treble crochet in the next same chain space. We'll move to the next chain space and we'll do 2 double crochet in the same chain space. And we'll finish off the row by creating 3 single crochet in the next 3 chain spaces. And finally we'll do a slip knot to tie our project. That's it, your beautiful heart shape is ready. You can use it in so many different ways, so the options are limitless. Thanks for watching this tutorial with me. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe and like this video. If you have already subscribed me, then don't forget to like and share. I'll come back with another tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye now.